Nice, isn't it? Cheers.
It's bud.
Aye, it's number 3 in that water as well, please. That's it, thanks.
Thank you.
Great, thanks mate. Cheers. Cheers. Thanks. It's a little bit busier than normal here, so I think I'll scoot out of the area. I was hoping to get a few more pictures, but I'm sure I'll get some along the way. So, back in the 3.2, Carrera 3.2. And guys, 160,000 subscribers. I just wanted to put the camera on, doing a bit of a POV here. I just wanted to put the camera on and just say thank you so much. I know I've been quite absent probably this year. I've only really put a few videos on this year, and there's a bit of a reason for that. It's basically because I think my whole workflow of my life has just been a little bit disjointed over the past few years. But I'm putting steps into motion now so that I can just be active as much as I want on YouTube, or as little as I want on YouTube, but also doesn't get in the way of my life. So it's the first time I've drove this car for a good few weeks, and I went into my garage this morning and I've noticed like an oil leak coming from the rear right hand side. You probably see it on screen now. So I need to get that checked out. Hopefully it's nothing too major. Hopefully it's just like a gasket or a seal or something. And guys, if anyone's interested in the camera that I'm actually using to make these POVs, it's a great little camera. It's like it changes everything. It's called the DJI Osmo Nano. And like it's got this little like device here, so you can kind of see exactly. I'm not looking at the screen, I'm looking at the road, by the way, but you guys can probably see what I'm looking at. And it's like you can just put this anywhere, so you always kind of know what the camera's picking up, so you can angle it correctly to get the right kind of angle on the road and the steering wheel and all the controls and things like that. What a cool little, it's a cool little camera. Cost about 320, 330 pounds. I'll put the link to it in the description below this video, because I know some of you guys out there who I speak to and also do YouTube like your little gadgets as well. Oh, we've had like 3 green lights in a row. Oh, this could be magic. It's another one. Another green light, come on. This is like unheard of. So this is like Newcastle, they call this like the diamond strip. And this is like the strip where like all of the Geordie Shore people used to come, because on the bottom level there's like loads of bars, a few clubs on both sides. So we're getting into that kind of area right here. And it's a nice area, but like on a Friday and a Saturday night, these areas here are just full of like young clubbers, ravers, or not ravers, just like people who want to go out and have a drink, have a good time with their friends. It's a young crowd, definitely a young crowd. She likes it. She's just said wow. She looked at the car and said wow. So we now have the Tyne Bridge in front of us, and we're coming down onto like the quayside area now. So this is kind of like another area with bars and restaurants, pubs. Obviously you've got the Millennium Bridge over there. We're going to try and go behind that Sage building. You probably can't see it on my camera, but if we've got the Tyne Bridge, you've got the lower red swing bridge, which we're going to go over. Then you've got the high level bridge, then you've got the blue bridge. I can't remember what the blue bridge is called. And then it's the red hue bridge. So we've got about 7 bridges all around this area. It's just nice to get out in the car, really, because we're not going to have many more days of this. It's a nice fine chilly day now, but when it starts to snow and the roads begin to fill up with salt, I ain't bringing this car out. So we're going over the swing bridge now, which swings right open to let ships past. And that's a rarity these days. I think they only open it for like just to keep it moving, keep it working, because it's certainly not used to let ships past anymore, because kind of like the trades which the River Tyne used to house, they've all died out, and industries moved on. So we can see kind of like the tail end of the Tyne Bridge there, and you might be able to pick up there the kind of how it just looks old, and obviously it's old, but like run down and in need of like refurbishment. Get in around here somewhere. I'll like get some photos done. There's some nice looking art here. That might be good. See the Tyne Bridge in the background there. It's a good shot actually. With his dog and get past. So that's the Sage building, it used to be called the Sage building. It's a glass house now, and they do like concerts and like classical shows. Actually, it might make a good thumbnail, maybe. Cheers. It's lovely, isn't it? Aye, it's just the job. It gets us from A to B. Aye, it's a lovely old thing. Cheers, thank you. And that's what I mean. Just like everywhere you go, people are just saying, and they're genuinely nice about it. What a nice car. Nobody has to say a single thing. Well, people are just being nice, and that's what it's all about, isn't it? Just be a nice person. liked it. Waiting for a red light, and there's a woman behind in the car who's actually taking pictures of the car. Oh, get that off. Don't want a copyright strike. It's like, no, it's non-stop, especially when you come in the city centre. Like, people are just taking pictures and just loving. There's an M3. Tasty. He gave me the nod. Oh, I can still hear it. Go on, son. Just have fun in your cars. Just enjoy them. It's a short journey on Earth. God damn, enjoy the fruits of your labour. Don't give a about what anybody else thinks. Really don't. Just do what you want to do. Enjoy what you like. Life's too short to be worrying about what other people think. Get that right. Chinatown, St James's Park. Hi, how are you doing? Good, thanks. Can I get a regular latte, please?
Regular latte?
Yeah, that's it. That's it, thanks. Yeah, I've got the app.
Just get it.
Right.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yes. These guys wearing. I like it. Yeah, no cup holders in this car, so I've kind of got to just sit here and drink it before I leave, actually. So with that in mind, I'll just say, like, thanks for getting me to 160,000 subscribers. I'm in a place called Jesmond here, and there are lots of students out, and just like everyone's like taking note of the car. Like, this guy's got his Cruise Campo. Nice. So yeah, if you want attention, this is the car to get. There's a guy pointing over there. Look at that. Everybody loves it. Cheers, mate. Everybody loves it. Yeah, if you want a car that gets you attention everywhere you go. Now, I'm not an attention seeker, but if you want a car that does get attention, it's just my thoughts entirely. Everybody loves Lambos, Ferraris, Astons, things like that, but there's just something special about a classic Porsche, and it makes people feel a different way than they would about those Lambos and Ferraris and things like that. Anyway, guys, take care of yourselves. I'll see you on the next one.